Welcome to Stampin' Up! With the Crafty Chicks 3-Minute Thursday series. I am your host, Jacqueline Scheel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make perfect circles without a circle punch, a die cut, or a cutting machine. Just using pencil, scissors, and anything round. I like to use different size glasses for different cuts because you know the glasses are cut in a perfect circle and they're easy to trace. So this is 1 3/4 inches, and if you want to know how big the circle is going to be, you just measure from tip to tip across. That's called the diameter of a circle. This one is 2 3/4, and this one is 3 1/4. All you have to do is place the glass down on the paper. Place it on the wrong side if you're using one-sided paper. If you're using two-sided paper, it really doesn't matter if it's the same. If you're using a double-sided designer paper, cut it on the wrong side, the side that is not going to be showing. And it's very simple. Place your glass, hold your glass down, sitting or standing up, just trace around it with your pencil. Take a small pair of scissors because it's easier to control what you're doing if the scissors are smaller. And just start cutting into the paper until you hit the circle. Then turn the paper as you cut. Don't try to maneuver the scissors because you'll tear up the paper. And it doesn't matter if you just do 1/4 inch at a time or more, whatever you feel comfortable with, and just keep turning that paper. As long as you follow the line, you will have a circle. No one's going to sit there and measure or scrutinize if it's slightly off or not perfect. And then you can make different sizes so that you can nest the circles and make your own sentiments, whatever you want to do. And you can do the same thing with not just circles, but squares, rectangles, whatever you have that you can trace. And voila, there you have it. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, my Facebook business page, my blog, and my Stampin' Up! Store site. Also, check out my Etsy store where I sell retired and discontinued Stampin' Up! Products, as well as the exclusive list of current products Stampin' Up! Allows demonstrators to sell. Thank you for joining me in Stampin' Up! With the Crafty Chicks 3-Minute Thursday. Happy crafting!